Thesis statement is a sentence, and the formula of the sentence structure is subject or claim ideas plus verb plus objects or sub-ideas. Subject is a two-word concept or phrase, sometimes rarely could be a short clause. Objects normally are three equal parts words or phrases. It shouldn't be clauses, otherwise it could be too long. Thesis objects have different names and functions. It can be called controlling ideas, subtopics, and the subject topics of topic sentences. The objects of the thesis statement themselves are the joints that connect and control the introduction and the body. Now here is a thesis statement that has objects as topics for topic sentences. So the objects in the thesis statement becomes the subject topics in the topic sentences. And a topic sentence, which is a statement, its sentence structure is subject, of course, is the inherited subtopics, plus verb plus object name. A single topic sentence has a single subject and single object, unlike the thesis statement that has three objects, two or three. So the subject is the same, a two-word concept or phrases, or a short clause. Rarely should be a short clause. And the object is one name for all the examples in that paragraph. So one topic sentence, one paragraph, one subject and one object as one name, but each paragraph could have two or three examples. Next is the names of objects in the topic sentence. One name objects normally will cover three examples, which I say is represent three examples and generalize